You ready? Hi guys, we are back at a familiar place today, Cedar Knob Resort. My sister's dad owns this place, and we're gonna do some more magnet fishing here. As you can see, we're joined by their dog, and he's actually really friendly and likes to play fetch, and that's why he's barking at us, because we stopped playing fetch.
We stopped playing fetch.
So, anyways, we're gonna jump out here, as you can see, back on these docks and these boat slips, and see what we can find. It's been about a year since we've been out here.
Yeah, hopefully we can find some cool stuff out here. Hopefully. It's also very cold, so.
It's very cold. The dog's very loud, so should be fun.
It should be a good time. So let's get out there and see what we can find. All right, guys, got the 2400 double-sided magnet. Let's see what we can do. Got a ball cap. Oh, what's this? Huh. Oh, I know what this is. So, these are the things they put in like little cross sections of the wood. So, like this right here is the same thing you'll see up towards there as well. Huh, that's cool.
I found a little bitty eye, like a fishing rod eye.
What?
Like a little eye off of a fishing rod.
Oh no.
Travis.
No, no. 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 No.
Just jump in the water, dude.
No. I wasn't paying attention. I was stepping backwards. Oh man. No. Oh. Ew. I found a big washer. I know.
Hey!
Hey, what'd you get?
I don't know.
That's a fishing pole, I think.
Or a slingshot.
Oh, is it a slingshot?
It's a slingshot, dude.
Dude. Dude.
This is a slingshot.
Dude.
I don't know how it works. Oh.
Ooh, that's camera worthy. It is a slingshot, you're right.
Do you mount it on something? How does this work?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like a wrist grip. Holy crap, this is a good one. Man, this is so cool, guys. Okay, so now it's washed off a little bit. You can see it's not in the great shape here. It's kind of tearing, but this is where you rest your wrist and you hold it, and you can slingshot like this. This is so cool.
Whoa! What is that? What the heck?
I got a couple nails.
Okay, I think I know what this is. So I think this comes off a fish basket. I believe that's like the wiring on the outside of it. Oh Lord.
And a yellow screw. Look at
More, I'm pretty sure it's an old fish basket wiring. And Jordan found a big old boat washer and a screw. Hey, found the ring to it. Told you I was going to uncover this fish basket. I found a little metal ring for it. Hey, you found my fish basket. Jordan found my fish basket. Dang it, Jordan.
on the wrong side. All that mud right there.
Yeah.
What do you think, puppy?
Jordan found my dang fish basket I've been trying to pull up.
There it is.
Dang it, Jordan.
You're welcome.
You find everything.
Hey, fishing pole! Fishing pole!
I got fire.
Fishing pole! Yes! And it's an adult one.
I don't want to die. Hey.
Check it out, guys. I got a blue fishing pole.
Dude.
A good old Zebco.
Jordan find everything.
I picked the good side.
Shit. Jordan found a fishing pole. I found a pair of pliers. Ah! Ah! So I found a pair of pliers. Cuckoo. Found a big boat. Looks like the one he found earlier. And a golden screw.
Big nail. Ooh, a big yellow screw. Whoa. A big Duracell battery. Hey, big bolt and washer. What is this? So I found this. It's got like a handle, and then it breaks off to a hook. Hey!
Oh my gosh.
I got a fishing reel with a bunch of line. I just pulled the line up that came up off of this, whatever that was. And the line was attached to the reel.
That's awesome.
Hey! Oh my god,
What the heck?
I thought it was a gun, but it's a pair of pliers.
Some vice grips.
Oh my god. What?
Yeah, that'd be very.
Well, it was open like this, and I was like, it's a really old gun. I got a pair of vice grips. Won't go over my thing. There we go. Look at that, guys.
I give up.
Hey guys, we just finished up magnet fishing here at Cedar Knob. It was actually a really good day. You know, it took us a year to get back here, and found a lot of good stuff that wasn't here before. So, as you see, we found a cool fishing pole. Let's see what else.
Found a gaff hook. I think it's a fishing gaff hook. Jordan found another fishing reel. Found
Fishing reel.
pliers, vice grips, and then of course I think the best
Slingshot.
item of the day is the slingshot for sure.
Yeah, I'm sure it was probably like a kid's toy, but they dropped it in the water, so now it's ours.
Painted keepers.
Yeah, so it was really cool. We found a lot of cool stuff. And it was a little cold, but getting the magnets going, we got warmed up. So
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. We had a good time out there. Found some cool stuff, and we're gonna go do some more stuff today.
Yep.
But yeah.
Well, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. Make sure to drop some likes, drop some comments. Let us know what you're thinking of the stuff we find. Make sure you're subscribed and watching our videos in the future. And
Yeah, subscribe.
as the dog said, make sure to subscribe. But that's all for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until next time, guys, keep it real.